Now we will be doing our maths worksheets.
So, in our maths workbook, our today's topic is about shapes. We have learned different shapes like circle, square, rectangle, semicircle. So, today we have to do the worksheet related to the shapes that we have learned. This is on page number 14. The first activity is related to the shape circle. What is written here is, please trace the circle and color it yellow. Do you see a circle here? You have to trace this outline of the circle and color it in yellow. I'll do this for you. I'm tracing this circle with a pencil. Trace it neatly. Okay, I have traced this circle. Now I have to color this circle in yellow. I have a yellow crayon here. So I will color this circle yellow. Color the circle yellow. So, my circle is colored in yellow. Now, what is the activity that we have to do next is, please join a line from the circle to the objects that are circle in shape. You can see there are 4 objects here. You have to match the circle that we have colored in yellow with the objects that are circle in shape. This clock, is this circle in shape? Yes, it is. So, I will match the clock with the yellow circle. The sun, is the sun circle in shape? Yes, it is. So, again we will match the sun with the circle. This is a cookie. Is this circle in shape? Yes, it is. So, we will match the cookie with the circle. This is a tent. Is this circle in shape? No, it is not. So, we won't match this tent with the yellow circle. This is how you have to complete this activity. The next activity is related to the shape semicircle. Semicircle. When you cut a circle in half, the half portion is called semicircle. We have to trace the semicircle and color it orange. Now let's trace the semicircle. A sleeping line and then a small curve. I have traced the semicircle. Now I will color it in orange. This is an orange crayon. Now let me color it in orange. So I have colored my semicircle in orange color. Now what we have to do is, we have to join a line from the semicircle to the objects that are semicircle in shape. Again we have 4 objects. We have to check which objects match with this semicircle. This is a small purse. This is semicircle in shape. So we will match the purse with the semicircle object. This purse with the semicircle. This is a hand fan. So, is this semicircle in shape? Yes, it is. So, we will match it with the semicircle. This is a mobile. Is it semicircle in shape? No. So, we will not match this object with the semicircle. This is a piece of watermelon. Is this semicircle in shape? Yes, it is. So, we will match it with the semicircle. So, you have to do this activity on page number 14. Our next activity is the shape square. Please trace the square and color it red. Now we have to trace this square and we will color this square in red. So let's trace. A square has 4 equal sides. So we are tracing the square which has 4 equal sides. Now let's color the square in red. This is a red crayon. So let's color it. So I have colored my square in red. As you can see, a square has 4 sides which are equal. Now, we have to join a line from the square to the objects that are square in shape. Again, we have 4 objects and we have to join a line from the square to the objects. This is a carom board. The carom board is square in shape. So we will match it with the red square. This is a chess board. A chess board is also square in shape. So you again have to match it with the red square. What is this? This is an ice cream cone. So is this square in shape? No. So we will not match it with the red square. This is a photo frame. A photo frame is, this photo frame is square in shape. So we again have to match it with the red square. Our next shape is rectangle. Trace the rectangle and color it in brown. Here we have a rectangle which we need to trace and color in brown. So let's trace the rectangle. A rectangle also has 4 sides, of which two sides are long and are equal, and 2 sides are short and are equal. Like 2 long sides are equal and 2 short sides are equal. So this is a rectangle and we have to color it in brown. I am coloring the rectangle in brown. So I have colored this rectangle in brown. Now we have to join a line from the rectangle to the objects that are rectangle in shape. Again we have 4 objects. So we have to check which objects are rectangle in shape. So this is a almirah. So is this rectangle in shape? Yes, it is rectangle in shape. So we will match this with the round rectangle. What is this? This is a rainbow. Is this rectangle in shape? Is the rainbow rectangle in shape? No, it is not. So we won't match this with the rectangle. This is a mat. A mat is rectangle in shape. So you have to match the mat with the rectangle. And this is a television, a TV set. So this is also rectangle in shape. So you have to match the TV with the rectangle. So this is your activity related to shapes on page number 15. Thank you.